So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Elma, and for today's video, I am going to discuss the IEE of a sewerage project Bagong Lipunan Condominium and Tenement. So, the project description. Name of project, Sewerage Project Bagong Lipunan Condominium and Tenement. Address, Bagong Lipunan Condominium and Tenement, Barangay Western Bicutan, Taguig, Metro Manila. The proposed project for Bagong Lipunan Condominium and Tenement BSC is one of the 23 sub-projects of the Community Sanitation Project Phase 1, which is component of the World Bank-assisted Manila's second sewerage project, or the MCCP. The project is intended to reduce the current wastewater pollution discharged to the Laguna Lake by the 1,213 residential units in BLC. The projects involve the improvement and rehabilitation of the sewerage system in the compound. Specifically, the project includes the installation of sewer lines to intercept sewage flows from existing communal septic tanks as well as raw wastewater flows from buildings with upset septic tanks, and underground centralized sewage treatment plant (STP) will be constructed to treat the wastewater flows. So this is the vicinity map of the Bagong Lipunan condominium. So the scope. This project specifically aims to address the problems of inadequate wastewater treatment and disposal in BLC. The project will help reduce public health risk and environmental pollution from untreated, partially treated domestic wastewater by providing a sustainable sanitation and sewerage facility. It will also serve as a good illustration of proper sanitation, especially to the neighboring communities near Laguna Lake. Parameter: pH, suspended solid dissolved oxygen, biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, total coliform count, fecal coliform count. So, here you can see the environmental monitoring plan, or the EMP, of this project, the parameter, the location, and the frequency. And you can see it is divided in the construction phase, operation phase. So yeah. So impact and its mitigating measures. So here are the impact and mitigation measures of this project. Poor quality construction. Manila Water Company will monitor the supply and installation contract to assure quality of equipment and construction. Site managers and engineers with experience in construction management shall approve all materials and equipment to be used and installed at the site. The contractor will be required to post a performance bond for the design and construction contract of the sewerage system. Air pollution, efficient construction planning and work scheduling, prompt and fast removal of excavated materials or the dredge spoil from construction site, sprinkling of water and dust generating mounds resulting for earth moving activity and civil works. Water pollution due to wastewater. First, provide temporary drain system and storage facility for excavation soils, fuels, oils needed for construction. Second, provision of routine chemical and oil spilling cleanup plan. So the process. The project will be bid on the basis of performance specification for the STP treatment process. Wastewater flows were computed on the basis of per capita water demand of 200 liters per day and a 70% wastewater discharge. Storm infiltration was estimated at 10% of the total flows. A peak factor of 1.5 was added in the computation of design flows to determine pipe size and capacity of STP. Process scheme of STP. The STP to be constructed in BLC will be below ground. The only above ground structure will be controlled room panel. The STP treatment process will provide secondary treatment and septic tank influent. It is expected that bidders will propose different process technologies based on the performance specification in the bid documents. Some factors which will be considered in selecting the STP treatment process are the suitability in project site, performance, treatment efficiency, capital and replacement costs, operations and maintenance costs, flexibility of operation, flexibility of treatment process. So here are the process scheme of this project: the raw sewerage, lip pump, surge tank, the 2-degree treatment system, biological, SBR idea, activated sludge, the clarifier, disinfection or chlorination, clarified effluent, wastewater sludge, and reuse sludge as soil container. So that's all for today, and I hope you learned something. So just click the like button if and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new one. That's all. Thank you.